Hi, I'm so sorry to bother you. I'm so sorry. I have like $3 or $4 on me. Would I be able to get something for that or no?
$3
Yeah.
Hey everyone, Alec here at Dherbs. Today I'm going to be asking someone who's selling flowers if they'd be able to give me a discount on one so I can give it as a gift. If they say yes, I'm going to give them $100. Let's get to it.
Just a flower like that?
I feel bad though. Does that normally go for $5 though?
3 is fine.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Okay.
I actually want to let you know as well, so the show what we're trying to do is like see if people do kind gestures for us. So you can have the flower back, and I'd like to give you $100.
Oh, really?
Absolutely, yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Nope, not joking at all.
Oh,
I just want to say thank you, for...
I don't know how to say.
No, you don't have to say anything. I just appreciate you. It's just for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
I thought maybe it was for your mother and you have enough money.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay, take the flower for your mom.
Oh, I appreciate that. I'll be sure to give it to her and let her know.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Okay.